How to fix Instagram message button not opening. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you can't open or load your Instagram messages. Maybe the message button isn't clickable or your DMs just won't open. Don't worry. I've got a few easy fixes you can try right now. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to your home screen and find the Instagram app. Now long press on the app icon and you'll see a few options or widgets appear. Tap on the Messages widget, and this should take you directly to your Instagram messages. If that doesn't work, here's another quick workaround. If you're trying to message a specific person, go straight to their profile, then tap the Message button. You'll be able to send them a message, even if your inbox isn't loading properly. Just note that your previous messages might not show up using this method. Now let's move to the next fix. Since this issue usually happens in the main Instagram app, try using Instagram Lite instead, or log into your account from a web browser, either on your phone or computer. From there, you should be able to open and send messages without any issues. And finally, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because Instagram often fixes bugs like this in new updates. And that's it. These are the best quick fixes you can try while waiting for Instagram to officially resolve the issue. If one of these methods worked for you, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Instagram updates and fixes.